the things wey dey happen for this Nigeria every day na cruise every day. E get one man wey dey call Femi Adesina, wey this man na spokesperson for Buhari. Him talk say by the end of this Buhari 2 years, all of us go praise am. Say Buhari dey work. I come dey wonder, no be all of us dey this Nigeria together? Abi we wear glass, we no dey see wetin Buhari dey do? Because this in comment, e overshock. In fact, e give me heart attack. Since when we wan say we go praise Buhari o? Say in fact, we go overpraise am because the kind thing wey this man don do, he don overdo well. He can even name this catalog the Buhari administration of 6. That is counting of blessings one by one. Hey! This team is too strong. Counting of which blessings? Where the blessings dey come from? Say na from the killing, the lack of jobs, abi na the education sector now we wan dey count our blessings from? Because I don't know wetin we wan count for this kind Buhari matter. Maybe na him dey see, him go dey gain na him spokesperson. So na him know wetin him dey gain. But as for me, I don't know wetin I dey count. Maybe my accounting na from God side, but Buhari side, not wetin be counting. I no dey even count counters. Or talk less of say I dey count blessing. This man now say Buhari go record giant strides for this in economy. Say this in economy for these 2 years, so we go encounter giant strides. So we don't already even encounter giant strides, meaning things don't even go up, things don't do well. In terms of infrastructure, e good. In terms of finance, e good. Education, e good. Health care, everything good. In fact, sport, everything dey well. Say things dey go on well. Say people wey dey talk say Buhari no dey work, na because we dey dispassionate, and unfair. Say we no dey use good mind judge Buhari. Na make we dey see and say he no dey work. Say our infrastructures dey very okay. Say our schools, in fact, 100/100. Say work, say e dey. I come dey wonder, if work dey, why people dey complain say no work? If school dey, why people dey complain say the school? In fact, if school dey, these people wey dey kidnap, why dey kidnap them from school? If the economy dey okay, all of us know say Gino sachet tomato before na 50 naira, now na 150, and you say our economy dey okay, why things dey rise? In just 1 year, tomato price don increase. Things wey be 5 naira before don enter 50 naira. So I no come understand since when this economy start to dey grow, wey be say we dey gain giant strides, because that English sef is strong. E too strong for me to even break am. This kind thing wey this man na irokpo. All of us irokpo repete irokpo. And be this kind matter. You dey lie. In fact, this man just wan talk say make him talk, because all of us know say all this thing wey this man mention na pure wetin lie, foul. None of them dey work. All this one na just otondo, pure otondo. You think say people wey dey Nigeria na mumu? If you talk am, we go support you. Yes, we know people wey dey support them. Na people wey dey gain from this their APC regime. Na people wey know say as they go vote for Buhari, they see money collect. Even that money wey you collect, some people even collect am. You know reach 1 week, this money don finish. So wetin you come dey gain? Wetin you gain from this in whole tenure? Because me, I no gain anything. Beans don turn to 450. How much did they sell all these things before? This kind talk wey this man talk now, for me, in fact, as they enter my ear, na so e dey come outside, because na pure rubbish. The talk no even get sense at all. E just be saying just one talk, make it be like say himself talk. As this matter be, now here I go leave on now, making herself comment. If na feel say this thing wey this man talk, all these APC people making a comment. If na feel say yes, Buhari dey work, making a, and if na feel say you know they work, that is for the PDP people and your opponents, making herself talk. And I feel say okay, who we want even enter? So we know say this person go work, because they talk say if we come out, if Buhari come out, all of us go suffer am. We go suffer am. If he be say himself, they know wetin they talk. Now so good luck come out. No be so all of us they cause this good luck. Say good luck no good. Good luck do this one. Say make Buhari enter now. All of us they cry. So we no come no be na the same things that will call even happen if Buhari come out. But as this matter be like this, making a comment about this matter, and making don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I go see you now for our next story. My people, them don adopt 200 Islamia students for Niger State again. Again. The last time na Chibok girls Dis one now na Islamia student. Wetin dey even happen o? Make I ask una, wetin dey really happen for dis Naija? I think say recently they employ security, some female security. So all this security wey they even employ sef, wetin una come dey do? Dis school wey they talk say dis school dey for Tejina, for Rafi local government area for Niger State. Say students go there on Sunday, May 30. E come dey shock me since when students start to dey go school on Sunday. I think say Sunday people dey their house, dey sleep, dey rest. But people wey dey live around talk say dis kind school no be the normal school wey we know, say na Islamic school. Wey be say they go dey train students on their Islamic belief to make them know more about Islam. Na dis school na these children go. Na there all these men, all these kidnappers come carry 200 students. 200 oh. I think say to even kidnap one person sef dey hard. But how do they take carry all these 200 people with security and everything wey they don dey do since all these days? Abi the security dey go on break on that Sunday? Because I no dey understand. Now the general secretary of Niger State government talk say they no even dey sure say this 200 sef, they no dey certain o. Say na now they call some people parents say, mama abeg your pikin dey house. They wan dey sure. On our way na carry people dey for school, na no even know how many students na get for school. Na come pack them. Now what? Now they don't carry them, these students. Who, in fact, these people they even kidnap. Because mostly, they no dey even collect money for some people. They go just give them these girls and people belle, kill some. Wetin come be the reason? Wetin come be the aim for all this kidnapping? Because we don't tire. We don't tire for all this kind of kidnapping where they happen. Now only Niger State be state for Nigeria. Where we say every time, na their student. Make dem go close school and make everybody dey sit down for their house. Maybe if they dey inside their house, then their parents go fit dey guide them. Because this one now where they carry 200, how they take even pack them? And at the ESF say one person don't even die. From the whole being a kidnapping thing, maybe they hustle. Now one person don't die now, and one person say they injured. So wetin be their aim? And all this kidnapping, wetin our government, wetin Buhari, our president, they talk about them. Because I know they see any improvement. Today, kidnapping. Tomorrow, kidnapping. Wetin they come dey do? Wetin they change? Nothing. Nothing they happen. They will carry this one today. Next week, they don't release them. The girl don't already get belle. Or they go release them. You don't already born pikin. Or they don't even kill the person and they will still collect money. Wetin come be the essence of this country all of us dey? We no dey safe now. People who even dey, how do they take survive? If the states no dey okay, make una comot. And the president and the governor recently, in there they spray money or they enjoy for party. Your people dey on a sure say no be these people say they send all these people, make they go kidnap people. Because if like say this our security, e no dey work. Nigerian security no dey work at all. Army dey there, they no secure school. Or maybe they even dey there. So if they dey there, how they take carry them these children? Now wetin I go dey, how they take carry them these children? 200. How in a one make the country be? When no be one, no be two. If say na one big man pikin dey there now, you go see say sharp. They don't already release these children. But as na poor, because all these poor people say for they pick. Who won't pay? They don't get money. If you now want they kidnap all these kidnappers, make na they target people who get money, big people. No be people where we say their parents they sell pure water for road, I be they beg. All of us know say all these Hausa people say na bambiela they do for road. Now their parents now can't expect say they won't come pay for picking so they force them even go that school, oh, because all of us they know they even like school. They prefer when they go they beg for road. They can't force you go school now. Upon this forcing, they can't come kidnap you on top. What thing you can't gain now? I don't gain anything now. You know they gain. Because last maybe na picking now you go come born. This matter, I don't tire me. Oh. It be like say we need help. Make maybe the American armies, maybe they can't intervene. Because Nigeria, we know they do anything. Our armies, they know they work. Maybe they could send, they watch American film now. If they kidnap us, they don't already carry the person come back. Our own, 1 year. We never hear anything. Now here go they live now with this kind of story, making a comment. Make anything when I see with this kind of our government. This our Buhari regime. Making a comment about them because he don't tire me. He overtire me. Anything when I see, making I don't forget to write down for the comment section. As I go to read all of our comments. Make I don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for our next story.